in your white paper, very conveniently, you are using RBI, you are using CAG, you are using Telangana budget in brief. So I want to know, and in fact I would say that we all would like to know, shall we follow RBI? Shall we follow CAG? Or shall we follow Telangana budget in brief? What does the Constitution say? What does the rule position say? The state budget, we need to follow, we need to discuss on this. And CAG is the authority which audits. Yes, report dete ho. तो हम ये देखते हैं. तो now if you have to see your white paper, Honorable CM साहब, इसमें हम RBI भी ले रहे, CAG भी ले रहे, स्टेट बजट भी ले रहे, wherever it is convenient for us, we are taking it. Sir, I am not here to protect anybody, sir. Let me make it very clear. I am here to protect my state of Telangana, sir. I do not want a wrong message to be sent by this house that this state is in distress. ये स्टेट बीमारू हो गया, ये स्टेट तबाह हो गया, ये स्टेट में अब कुछ नहीं है, ये मैसेज हमको नहीं भेजना है सर. Let us criticize the wrongdoing, sir. Any wrongdoings, any inquiry, we are here to support.